Morning guys, how are you guys doing? And connecting with you after a long time, and started, as I said, I think in my last vlog probably will be traveling. So just started traveling to the western part of the country, and we'll be back after 4 days, I think. So till that time, you guys stay safe, be good, do good. I'll see you around. And of course, thank you so much for liking our shot. And there was this shot from Vami which we posted yesterday. I hope you liked it. So you guys stay tuned, and I'll be bringing up some interesting content for you over the next 4 days. See you, bye bye, take care. Kind of mad rush at the security check. I'm not sure how much time it's gonna take before I can get through it. My wild guess is anything between 20 to 30 odd minutes. Fortunately for me, I started well in time, so I'll be able to make it. But then it looks like, you know, the whole of Delhi, the entire Delhi is out traveling, and this is early morning, crazy mad rush. अपने दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट की तो बहुत हालत ख़राब है बॉस. मतलब आज तो सिक्योरिटी चेक में इट टुक मोर देन हाफ एन आवर. अरे बुरी हालत हो गई यार. देवर 8 लॉन्ग क्यूज़ एक सेक्शन में यार. इमेजिन. horrible experience, yeah. And anybody who's traveling, I would suggest, boss, कम से कम फ्लाइट से 2.5 घंटा पहले निकलो यार. It was stupid, crazy, mad rush, and finally after a struggle of good 30-35 odd minutes in the queue, I've managed to get out. So quickly rushing to the gate. Plan था यार कुछ उठाऊंगा ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए, but I don't think so. I have enough time in hand, so I'll just quickly rush to the gate, and I'll see you around. Bye bye. So after such a rush, finally a sigh of relief. The flight is little late in the sense the incoming aircraft has not arrived as yet. तो बैठते आराम से. I'll have quickly my bite, and this is a usual affair in winters. Fog तो नहीं है, but still I think the incoming flight came in late, and even though it's just another 35 odd minutes in the scheduled departure, but it looks like, you know, the incoming flight has just arrived, and it will take some time before they can get the aircraft ready. So I'll sit back, relax, and you guys also take care, stay safe. और हाँ, फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन तो पता लग ही जाएगी आपको. अभी सिर्फ इतना बता देता हूँ. आई विल बी लैंडिंग इन मुंबई. आई विल बी देयर इन मुंबई फॉर अ डे, एंड देन आई विल बी हेडिंग फॉर माई फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन विच आई हैव नॉट रिवील्ड दिस येट. सो वो आपको पता लगेगी कल सुबह when I'll start for my final destination. Till that time, you guys take care, stay safe, be good, do good, and I'll see you around. एक अटेम्प्ट मार के देखते हैं यार. 45 मिनट है हाथ में. अगर तो ज़्यादा रश नहीं हुआ मेकडी में तो पिक कर लूँगा, और अगर रश ज़्यादा हुआ तो देन आई विल स्किप इट एंड आई लेट इट गो, एंड आई विल हैव माई ब्रेकफास्ट वंस आई लैंड देयर. सो एक ट्राई मार के देखते हैं. अभी भी यार काफ़ी कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रही है यहाँ. कंस्ट्रक्शन ख़त्म ही नहीं होती कभी यार. Morning guys, how are you guys doing? Sorry couldn't connect with you guys yesterday. It was a little hectic after I landed, and of course I shared with you yesterday the entire day I was in Mumbai, and I have just started. It's an early morning start. I think you can see from outside it's still dark, and heading to Lonavala, Khandala, whatever you may call it as. So I have this off-site meeting for 3 days. So next 3 days I'll be at Lonavala, Khandala, and back in town on Friday. So hopefully during these 3 days I'll be able to share some moments, capture some good content from there. And ये 2 दिन का बहुत early start रहा. Yesterday also it was 5 in the morning, and today again I got up at around 4:35. अभी 2-2.5 घंटे की जर्नी है, and the journey is good through the hills. So sit back, relax. I'll see you around, and in the meantime, as usual, you guys stay good, be good, do well, and I'll see you around. See ya, bye bye. तो भाई ये रहा एक फेलो यूट्यूबर मेरे लेफ्ट पे, एंड भैया थोड़ा सा आगे लेना संजय जी. So I have a fellow YouTuber on my left. Hi, and of course he is carrying on his GoPro, and I am shooting on my GoPro. I am with my colleague Vivek.
Hi.
Picked up Vivek on the way, and we are...
So definitely yes, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. Let there be light, let there be life, let there be brightness, let there be sun.
बॉस इस पूरी जर्नी में ना एक चीज़ जो मस्त मज़ा आने वाला है ना, दी मुंबई पूरे हाईवे और लोनावला खंडाला हाईवे पे विल गेट टू सी लॉट मेनी टनल्स, और पूरा सीनिक है बिकॉज हिल स्टेशन है, सीनिक है, अच्छा देखने में मजा आएगा.
We are a little bit late. If this would have been a monsoon,
हाँ फिर तो भाई मजा
we would have seen multiple waterfalls, multiple waterfalls.
बट विवेक भाई मैं तो भी सुना पिछले मुंबई में कुछ दिनों से बारिश हो रहा है.
बारिश हो रही है, बट यही है कि जिन्होंने ना शादियों में कहते हैं ना, जिन्होंने अपनी कढ़ाई में खाना खाई है, उनकी शादी डिस्टर्ब करने के लिए बारिश हो रही है.
तेरी कसम, तेरी शादी अभी थोड़े दिन पहले हुई. विवेक क्या बात कर रहा है. मतलब इसके पास ना, विवेक के पास हमेशा हाजिर जवाब का कुछ ना कुछ रेडी रहेगा. बट आई कैन कमिट यू एंड आई कैन कंफर्म यू वन थिंग. नेक्स्ट 2 days gonna be fun filled. We're gonna have lots of fun, laughter, and it's gonna be carnage. Trust me. It's
one of the best resorts, the Dela Resort, which we are going in Pune.
Yes.
So one of the very fun. There's a lot of trekking there.
Yes.
A lot of adventurous activities, and of course, much of a business activity.
And en route to this place, Khandala, Lonavala, I've heard. In fact, I've been there earlier also. I think which was almost probably 3 or 4 years back. The entire route to Khandala or Lonavala is a beautiful stretch. I think we'll be shortly hitting that stretch where we have hill stations and the hills around, and that would be scenic. So let's wait before we hit the next tunnel, and
if we get a chance, we will also show you Ambi Valley, which is one of has a beautiful project.
Absolutely. So guys, as usual, stay safe, be good, do good, and I'll see you around.
सोनी भैया सजेगी सजना, नन्हा सा गुल खिलेगा अंगना. सोनी भैया सजेगी सजना, जैसे खेले चंदा बादल में खेले.
So the karaoke session is on. मेरे बस का तो नहीं है. I can't sing that well, but then yes, of course, my colleagues are singing, and it's a pretty good session. So मिलता हूँ आपको दोबारा मिलता हूँ. See you, bye, take care.
दिल का फसाना जान भी चाहे ले ले ज़माना, आज कहेंगे दिल का फसाना जान भी चाहे ले ले ज़माना। मौत वही जो दुनिया देखे, मौत वही जो दुनिया देखे, घुट घुट कर यूं मरना, क्या जब प्यार किया तो डरना, क्या जब प्यार किया तो डरना, क्या कंटिन्यू कर लो आगे।